Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Friday. Freaky Friday. Yeah, I'm going freaky. All right, I'm going to get right to it. Yesterday and last night, I'm just going to get right to this. I had scheduled a 5-spice chicken and rice yesterday. Oh, I did the chicken and rice and 5-spice. I rebuilt the entire recipe, not from the ground up, but it came from the UK. The method and instructions were just bad. And I changed some of the ingredients. I did keep the 5-spice. You know, I kept a majority of it, but I added some things. You should see my notes from yesterday, my handwritten notes. And I can barely read my handwriting. That's why everything you see of mine is printed. So once I got it done and got it prepped and so forth, because not only did I change the 5-spice chicken and rice recipe, but I actually added the cucumbers that were used for garnish were done in an Asian marinade. It's a marinade I've used before, which is very nice and very got a little bit of sweet note to it, and it actually is a little bit sweet or spicy. It's a little bit hot, but the heat goes away. If you have not seen the pictures of last night's dish, please, they're posted. Trust me. Take a look. It was a wonderful meal. It was beautiful. Probably one of the best plating I have done. Yeah, in a long time. Enough about last night. I will try to get the recipe up. It's going to take me a little bit to make it make sense to you, the user. I know what it says. And I know what I mean. Okay, enough of that. Tonight, I am doing a creamy steak linguine. Yes. Let's get to it. All right, we got the hardware going. All right, so we got some sirloin, and we got some linguine, and then we got the milk, Parmesan cheese, butter, garlic, cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, whichever one, I don't know, flour, a little bit of olive oil. There's going to be a balsamic reduction drizzle, kosher salt, black pepper, some parsley, some baby spinach with the pasta. I'm going to be using some Danny Green's red volcano radish shoots as a garnish. Yes, it's going to be a fun meal. After I get my prep done, I've got to pack my knife bag because I'm doing an event tomorrow with Chef Mark from Wonderlust. Yeah, we've had this on the books for several weeks. Something to do with farm workers. That's all I know. It's a breakfast. That I do know. It's going to be, I believe, at Yuba College somewhere. But yeah. So yeah. Mark asked me to help out. I'm going to go out and help him out. But I got a knife bag to pack after prep. So, on this Friday, this freaky Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.